The Flutter Currency Converter App stands as a testament to modern mobile app development, utilizing Flutter's versatile toolkit to create a seamless currency conversion experience. Through a combination of intuitive design and robust functionality, this app empowers users to perform currency conversions effortlessly on their mobile devices. At the heart of the app lies a suite of carefully selected widgets, each serving a distinct purpose in enhancing the user experience. From the foundational scaffold widget to the dynamic stateful widget, every component plays a crucial role in delivering a polished and responsive interface. The text widget serves as the backbone of the app's interface, providing clear and concise information to users at every step of the conversion process, whether displaying currency rates, conversion results, or user prompts. This widget ensures that essential data is presented legibly and comprehensively. With the center widget, the app maintains visual consistency by aligning all content at the center of the screen. This not only enhances the app's aesthetics, but also improves readability and usability across different devices and screen sizes. The column widget organizes information vertically, facilitating the orderly arrangement of currency selection drop-downs, input fields, and conversion buttons. By structuring the interface in this manner, users can navigate the app's features with ease, minimizing confusion and streamlining the conversion process. Complementing the column widget is the row widget, which enables horizontal arrangement of elements such as currency pairs. This allows users to compare rates side by side, empowering them to make informed decisions when converting currencies. The stack widget proves invaluable for overlaying dynamic elements on top of existing content, ensuring that important information is displayed without disrupting the user experience. Whether showing loading indicators, error messages, or pop-up dialogues, this widget enhances the app's responsiveness and usability. As the fundamental structure of the app, the scaffold widget provides essential layout features such as app bars, drawers, and bottom navigation. By leveraging this widget, the app maintains consistency in design and navigation, enhancing the user's overall experience. The Safe Area widget ensures that content is displayed within the safe area of the device, preventing critical UI elements from being obscured by notches, device cutouts, or system bars. This optimization ensures that the app remains accessible and user-friendly on a wide range of devices. Through the stateful widget, the app enables dynamic updates in response to user interactions. By maintaining stateful data and triggering widget rebuilds as needed, this widget ensures that changes such as currency selection or input adjustments are reflected in real time, providing users with accurate and up-to-date information. The setState function plays a crucial role in managing stateful data and updating the UI in response to user actions. By invoking this function, the app ensures that changes to currency rates or user inputs are reflected seamlessly, enhancing the overall user experience. Upon launching the app, users are greeted with a clean and intuitive interface that prioritizes ease of use. The home screen typically displays current exchange rates for popular currency pairs, allowing users to quickly assess market conditions and make informed decisions. To perform a currency conversion, users simply select the input and output currencies from drop-down menus and enter the desired amount. As they input the amount, the app dynamically updates the conversion result in real time, providing instant feedback and transparency. The app's currency conversion functionality is powered by real-time exchange rate data sourced from reputable financial apps. This ensures that users receive accurate and up-to-date conversion rates, instilling confidence in the app's reliability and accuracy. In addition to basic conversion features, the app may offer advanced functionalities to enhance user experience further. This could include saving favorite currency pairs, viewing historical exchange rate data, or setting up notifications for significant market changes. Customization options are available to users through the app settings menu, allowing them to tailor the app to their preferences. This may include choosing a preferred base currency, adjusting decimal places in conversion results, or enabling dark mode for nighttime use. Accessibility features are integrated into the app to ensure inclusivity for users with diverse needs and abilities. This may include support for screen readers, high contrast mode, and alternative input methods to accommodate users with disabilities. The app follows material design principles, providing a visually appealing and intuitive user experience across platforms and devices. By leveraging familiar UI patterns and gestures, such as floating action buttons and swipe navigation, the app enhances usability and engagement. Security measures are implemented to protect users' financial information and privacy. This includes encryption protocols, secure authentication methods, and regular security updates to mitigate potential risks and vulnerabilities. The app undergoes rigorous testing to identify and address any bugs or usability issues before release. This includes both automated testing scripts and manual QA processes to ensure optimal performance across various devices and scenarios. Upon release, the app is made available on major app stores and distribution platforms, allowing users to easily discover and download it on their preferred devices. This ensures maximum accessibility and reach for users worldwide. Ongoing maintenance and support are provided to address user feedback and maintain the app's functionality over time. This includes releasing updates with new features, bug fixes, and performance improvements based on user input and market trends. Marketing efforts are undertaken to promote the app and attract new users. This may include social media campaigns, influencer partnerships, and targeted advertising to reach the app's target audience effectively. User engagement strategies are implemented to foster a sense of community and loyalty among users. This may include offering rewards or incentives for frequent use, hosting virtual events or contests, and soliciting feedback to improve the app's features and functionality. Monetization strategies may be explored to generate revenue and sustain the app's development costs. This could include offering premium features or subscriptions, displaying advertisements, or partnering with affiliate networks to earn commissions on user transactions. In summary, the Flutter Currency Converter App is a powerful and versatile tool that simplifies currency conversion tasks for users. Through its intuitive interface, robust functionality, and commitment to security and accessibility, the app delivers a seamless and reliable experience for users worldwide. The Flutter Currency Converter App distinguishes itself with its user-centric approach, focusing on delivering value and convenience to users with every interaction. From its sleek design to its seamless performance, every aspect of the app is meticulously crafted to enhance the user experience. Users can rely on the app for accurate and up-to-date currency conversion rates, thanks to its integration with reputable financial APIs and real-time data sources. This ensures that users can make informed decisions when exchanging currencies, whether for personal finance management or international travel. Accessibility is a top priority for the app, with features designed to accommodate users with diverse needs and abilities. This includes support for assistive technologies, customizable text sizes, and alternative input methods to ensure that everyone can use the app with ease. The app's intuitive interface guides users through the conversion process step by step, minimizing friction and confusion. From selecting currencies to entering amounts and viewing results, every interaction is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. To further streamline the conversion process, the app may offer features such as automatic currency detection and quick access to recent conversions. This saves users time and effort, making currency conversion a seamless and hassle-free experience. The app's design follows material design principles, with a focus on clarity, consistency, and visual hierarchy. This ensures that users can quickly find what they need and understand how to interact with the app's features, regardless of their level of experience. Security is paramount, with robust encryption and authentication measures in place to protect users' sensitive information. This includes secure storage of data, encryption of communication channels, and regular security audits to identify and address potential vulnerabilities. The app's development is guided by user feedback and market research, ensuring that it evolves to meet the changing needs and preferences of its users. This agile approach allows the app to stay ahead of the curve and remain competitive in a rapidly evolving landscape. The app's monetization strategy may include a combination of revenue streams, such as premium features, in-app purchases, and partnerships with financial institutions or currency exchange services. This allows the app to generate revenue while providing value to users. Community engagement is fostered through social media channels, forums, and user communities, allowing users to connect with each other, share tips and advice, and provide feedback to the app's development team. Regular updates and improvements are rolled out to address user feedback, fix bugs, and introduce new features and enhancements. This ensures that the app remains relevant and competitive in the ever-changing mobile landscape. The app's success is measured not only by its number of downloads, but also by its user engagement, retention rate, and overall satisfaction scores. By focusing on delivering value and delighting users, the app aims to build long-lasting relationships with its user base. Partnerships with financial institutions, travel agencies, and other relevant organizations may be forged to expand the app's reach and offer additional benefits to users. This could include discounts on currency exchange fees, exclusive offers on travel packages, or access to premium features. The app's user interface is optimized for performance, with fast load times, smooth animations, and responsive touch interactions. This ensures that users can navigate the app effortlessly and perform currency conversions without any delays or interruptions. User data is handled with the utmost care and respect for privacy, with strict adherence to data protection regulations and industry best practices. This includes transparent privacy policies, user-controlled data sharing settings, and regular audits to ensure compliance with relevant standards. Feedback loops are established to gather input from users on a regular basis, allowing the app's development team to identify areas for improvement and prioritize features based on user needs and preferences. User education and support resources are provided to help users get the most out of the app and troubleshoot any issues they may encounter. This includes FAQs, tutorials, help documentation, and responsive customer support channels.